Okay guys, we're going to take this off, this out. We'll take this out. This, we're going to move the pump. And that's it. We're going to take this out. We're going to move the pump. And we're going to move the insides of it. Drum assembly and all that crap. Ready? Here we go. See, I thought I had a small screwdriver. Let me see. He said, take this, grab this, let's see, he tells you exactly how to do it. Hold on a minute. Let me take the video over there so y'all can see what's happening. So y'all can see what's happening. Let's see. Let's see what he said, dude. Let's see what he says do now.
To protect your eyes for the remainder of the transmission disassembly.
He got his right side up, but I'm not going to do mine that way.
Tap the servo cover to loosen it up from dirt buildup. Clamp the locking pliers to the cover. Use a small screwdriver to pry out the snap ring.
He pushed in and he pried it out. All right, let's do that.
Pull out the cover to expose the O-ring seal. Take a small screwdriver or mechanic's pick and pull out on the O-ring. Rotate the cover back and forth as you pull out the seal. Eventually, the seal diameter will get small enough to let the cover be removed. Leave the O-ring on the cover. Gently pry out on the rest of the assembly. There is a spring which normally remains in the bore. Remove it, place it over the apply pin, and set the entire assembly, including the snap ring, on the bench like so.
All right, let's go. Oh, man. Whew. I don't know what I'm blowing for. I think it's because I don't have a good memory. Let's see. That's why I'm blowing. My memory's bad. All right, do this. He got his right side up. I don't have mine right side up. Pushed in on it, and then he pried it out. He pried it out. Then he pulled out this thing to expose the little band. Then when he exposed the band, he said take a small screwdriver or a pick and get up under there until comes out. It's out, guys. This one look kind of used, but it's okay. He mentioned that they were going to all come out together. Whoop! See that? You got to remember how that went. So remember, guys, this went in like this. The words are out. Let's not forget that. The words are out. The tall side is this way. Set it in like that. Take this out. Set it like this. The spring came out with it. There's nothing else in there. Set it on the beach. Like so. He's really thorough, man. The guy is thorough. Alright. Set some of this fluid up. That's one thing you're gonna get. I've got these here in place, but I didn't put it down. Man, I tell you the truth. Just trying to help you. Try to do something yourself. Just doesn't help. Yes, it does. Not only is it therapeutic, it saves a lot of money. Now the next thing he's gonna do is, next thing he said do is we're gonna take this pump out. So I'm gonna position the camera so you can see the pump a little bit better. And hold on a minute.